Hello, this is Bob, the Flying Dutchman. I thought I'd take you a quick tour in our workshop today, as there's a lot of things to see. Besides me, you see here a tray filling machine. Yes, we also use trays when it regard to breeding. So here you have an automatic tray destacking unit, and here the unit automatically weighs and fills the trays. Actually, in the back you'll see one part of our sieving line, which goes actually from all the way here to all the way there. Which is of course then a big sieving line. And that's not all yet for today. If we take you a bit further, then on one hand here on this side you'll see, for example, our ZOEM filler standing ready for a customer. On the back, a bit hard to see, that's a substrate wagon, so to transport your substrate from A to B. And here behind me here, that's a tray tipping machine to automatically empty your trays when required. Well, that's all for now. I say bye bye, gotta fly.